What's the meaning of brook? Brook. Brook.
Brook. Brook. The word brook can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it usually refers to a small stream or a body of water that flows through a narrow channel. It can also be used as a verb to mean tolerating or putting up with something, often in the form of a negative feeling or emotion. Additionally, the word can be used in various phrases and idioms to signify different meanings. Overall, the meaning of brook is varied and contextual, but generally relates to a small waterway or the act of enduring or tolerating something.